How to log in Soundcloud app. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for Soundcloud application and install it to your device. Then after, tap on open. And here you have to tap on create an account. If you already have an account, you just have to tap on I already have an account, and you can either sign it with your Facebook, Google, or by providing your email. So here we are going to create our account, so simply tap on create an account. So here you have multiple options to log into SoundCloud application. So I'm going with the continue with Google. Then choose any Gmail account and tap on continue. Okay, so here you have to write your name and then age, then select gender and tap on continue. So it's verifying. Now we have successfully signed into the SoundCloud application and we have successfully created the account on SoundCloud. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.